A few of the upgrades that we made, of course, I wanted the double doors up front. I just love the look of it. And as we're bringing things in and out and transitioning this greenhouse, we went with the full electrical package. These tables, I ended up getting 8 of them. So they're great for seed starting. They're great for storage. These worked out great. And I ended up getting 8 windows all the way down the side, so everyone has a window. I wanted airflow, particularly in the summer, or again, when we host events, wanted to make sure we're getting enough air in here. It is a greenhouse, so